Hey everybody, Autovlog senior producer Christopher McGraw here, sitting inside the Mercedes EQS 450 Plus. And what you're looking at right now is actually the screen in front of the passenger. It is huge. It's a lot bigger than screens in vehicles, main screens in vehicles just a few years ago. Right now it's showing me a compass as well as elevation, which is kind of cool. I've never seen the elevation that my vehicle is at shown to me in that way. As you can see, we're just shy of 6,000 feet. You can change that. So here's the first option. It's just kind of like almost like a screensaver, Mercedes screen saving image. Then we also have the date and time. This wild looking vehicle here. Just more shots of that. And so those are the 6 display image options that it shows you in the menu. As you can see right here, that's what I'm choosing from. I like to keep it on the compass as well as the elevation, though I can see how the clock and date and time would also be helpful.